Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by equipping essential gear, a ration for recovery and a suppressed SOCOM for stealth kills. Move immediately into crouch walk. This reduces noise and makes detection less likely. Use CQC when an enemy is close to neutralize without alarms. Once done, check the radar frequently and plan your path to avoid guard sightlines. Make sure to hug walls and use shadows. This first push sets you up to conserve resources and control alert level. You now methodically clear interiors by listening for footsteps and watching for light changes. These cues tell you guard placement. When enemies cluster, prefer CQC to save scarce ammo and prevent alerts. Use distractions, throw a Kodak or empty magazine to pull a guard away before engaging. For bosses, observe attack cycles and distance, then exploit the momentary recovery to strike. Once you learn patterns, you can bait predictable moves. This reduces trial and error and keeps you alive through the complex middle of the game. You complete the mission by collecting key items, saving regularly at checkpoints, and following the planned extraction route. This prevents losing progress. When unsure how to proceed, consult codec conversations and in-game map markers for objective hints, then adjust approach, switch to stealth, or go loud depending on resources. If something goes wrong, reload the last checkpoint and change tactics. Often a different angle or using CQC changes the outcome. One trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.